In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make text pulls in Wix. So if you click on my website right here, this is going to be the text that I want to make pulls. So in order to do that, what you need to do is head over to your Wix editor and then find the text that you want to make pulls. Like I said, in my case, it's going to be this text. So I'm going to click on it to highlight it, and then a bunch of different options are going to appear either to the top or below the text. In my case, it's below. So the button I want you to click on is this animation button right here. Click on that. And then I want you to close the entrance animations and focus on the loop. From here, I want you to find the animation, which is the pulse one right here. So click on it. And as you can see, you can press the play button to see what it looks like by default. And if you're happy with that, you can basically keep it as it is. Alternatively, if you want to customize it, you can click on the customize button down here. And then from here, you can change the motion style from gentle to intense. And then you can also increase the duration of the pulse. So for example, if you want it to be a little bit longer, in this case, slower, you can increase it, and then you can put a delay between the loops. So in my case, I want there to be no delay so that the text is constantly pulsing. So put it on 0 like me. And then once you're happy with the changes, click the X button right here to save. And then let's preview the website to see what the pulsing text looks like right now. And as you can see, this is the final result. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make text pulls in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.